Namaste. Today we are going to see some basic and important information about the yoga, mainly for the beginners in the yoga practice. People start with the yoga practice after seeing some video in the online. So which is not correct, because nobody knows what is their flexibility and what is their capability and about their own mental issues or physical issues. So you have to start the yoga practice after seeing a good teacher or a guru. So he can give the right. People come to me after the inquiry. People come to meet me. Sir, I am 40 years old, I am 50 years old, I am 30 years old, I am 70 years old. Can I do the yoga practice? Is it okay for me? There is nothing like that. People can start the yoga practice according to their flexibility and their capability, and the teachers can suggest you according to you. So if you have any other problems, like mainly the musculoskeletal problems, mainly the back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, this type of joint pain, mainly the knee pain. So accordingly you have the yoga therapy. Now everybody knows about the yoga. Now many people do not know about this yoga therapy. Therapy means a treatment. So a person who is having some medical ailments can be given a medical related therapy with the yoga without any medicines. That is called as yoga therapy. So a teacher, an experienced teacher who knows a basic thing about the anatomy and physiology can suggest a specific type of yoga. So, but this yoga therapy is normally for one-on-one persons. Many people do this walking every day for 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers according to their age and capability. It is not an exercise. Walking is a good activity, but yoga is much better than the walking. Because walking is mainly for the lower body. Now, is there any exercise are people doing for the upper body workouts? Normally people do not do anything. So yoga will be a best exercise for the whole body from the top to bottom.